Morning all. Well, I cannot find the counter debate person in the in the hall as yet. So I think I have the presentation all to me. Can I have the presentation? It's Dr. Leapy, already loaded. Right. So, उधर जाना है. Yeah, so we have the presentation now. So my topic is independent OPD patients for residents, not to see. I would have liked the other topic, but since the other person is not here, maybe I'll cover this topic and I'll provide some conclusions. Right, so no financial disclosures. Traditionally we were taught this by our parents and teachers: don't study to earn, study to learn. Now over time, this has been replaced by study to earn, and study to learn has also slowly disappeared, or it is disappearing. Democracy is the right to make the wrong choice, and this is sometimes being followed by the students more. So this is the present profile and psyche of students, at least majority of them. The other point which has revolutionized a student of today's century is social media and internet. So this is the present student which we find today in our post-graduation and also in graduation. Now, what has this done to the student? This has made most of them, not all, but most of them, to be more demanding, impatient, slight self-centered, materialistic, and emotionally viable. Now, this all affects the doctor-patient relationship. So because of all these factors, what we get is something like this. So this is the first appliance, if I can call it, the battery appliance torch, which gets into the hand of a first-year PG resident. And he is in a lot of zeal, enthusiasm, power, and energy to use it, and this is what happens. The next appliance or instrument which finds way to his hand is the slit lamp, and almost a similar pic in here. Documentation, we were already talking on that, documentation and prescription. So the patient is being seen, left eye mature cataract, right eye, hand movements and advice. Now always I try to give advice in the local language, that is Hindi over there. I encourage my MBBS people to do it and senior residents to do this. So he has advised right eye cataract surgery, mismatch in here. Again, another prescription which is signed by one of the senior residents. Glass prescription for near is being given, but in the prescription card it is +1 and 6/6. So the patient comes back and tells that with this glass mujhe dur ka nahi dikhta hai, I'm not able to see for distance. And where is my near glass? Mujhe paas ka chashma dijiye. Contact procedure, this happens because pre-procedure counseling is something which we do not teach our residents very well, or they're not able to communicate to the patients properly, effectively, and this is what we get: confused patients who don't know what to do. This is true with all contact procedures. Madam, I'm not getting Myers. Well, dear, you won't get Myers if there is no contact in the contact procedure. Presentation, there is an iron foreign body, which is quite common. 2 days later, the patient is coming back, photophobia, a lot of watering, congestion. So there is an epithelial defect which is also apart from the site where the foreign body was lodged. So I don't know how the foreign body was removed and what caused that epithelial defect. Fluorescein overstaining, fluorescein, go green. Now this is something which is very common. You tell the senior resident to stain, and then the patient sits there for about 5 minutes blinking so that excess fluorescein goes off. Having said all this, I'll just summarize. PG education, now the purpose of PG education as told by Medical Council of India is to create a specialist who would provide high quality health care. Program objective is that the student should be able to practice and handle most day-to-day problems independently in ophthalmology. Again, this is said by MCI to cover cognitive domain, affective domain, and psychomotor domain. Developing communication skills, essential diagnostic skills, and basic investigations are much needed. So we cannot just deny the students, the PG residents, not to see OPD patients. We should exercise caution during initial years, during contact procedures, and with difficult and different patients. Independent OPD patients for resident, to see or not to see, now that is for you to decide and see to. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Lippy. That